Okay, you guys. The word for the day is you are holding up your own blessings. You are. Because you are allowing people to speak in your lives. You're listening to it. You're taking it in. You gotta get all that out and feel it. What God said about you, who you are, and whose you are. So you're holding up your own blessings. I'm speaking to you as well as myself. No more. God said, cast all your cares upon him because he cared for you. So, it's time to fight. It's a spiritual warfare. Suit up, let's go. I'm about to get my stretch on. I already took my supplements, drinking my water. I want different, so I'm doing different. Change it up. Today is the day. I love you. Let's go. Talk to you later.